Look, oh my gosh. All right, what's going on, treasure hunters? It's Josh back with another martial metal detecting video. All right, so far I just got a couple zinc pennies and a couple cancel. All right, so I'm right by the old railroad track where I was, and I think I just found me my first Indian head penny. All right, I'm gonna put the camera around, show you guys. I haven't pulled it out yet. It's got a really good signal in like 40, hitting like a 48. Look, oh my gosh. That's Indian head. It is. I've never found one of these before. So you guys are really close to an old train station. Oh my gosh. So the train station it's no longer in service, but the building's still there. So that's why I've been by the railroad track. Let's see if we can get a year on this real quick. There you go, guys. It's a 1925 Buffalo. Look how close I am to the sidewalk. See? It's right here, just sitting there, about 3 inches down. Insane. Let's go. There we go. Got a coin. That is a regular nickel. 1976. Got a really nice quarter signal, a couple inches down. 1981. All right. That's a big old plate of something. It looks like steel. Yeah. All right, I'll throw it in the pouch. I just had a really deep coin signal and just popped it loose. We've got, looks like a dime. Is that 1985 or so? All right. I had a dime signal. Looks like it's gonna be probably a copper penny. There we go. That is gonna be penny. And another nickel signal. A good 50 on the AT Pro. Right, there we go. Got a nickel. This is shallow. This one's looking like a 1995 or so. And another nickel signal in here. There we go. Yep, got a nickel. Had a pretty good coin signal. I think this is it. Definitely not a coin. Not sure what that is. Oh, there you go. Matchbox. Lesney Products, 1973. Cool. All right. That is 55. AT Pro is saying we got 1977 nickel. Let's pull this up. This is just sitting in the grass, so got that out of here. A very shallow nickel signal here. Oh, there we go. Can be a vape. There we go. Just had a 60 signal. Just got a zinc penny. Just had a penny signal, and I just got this little tag for Zambra. All right, guys, I'm all done for the day. Had a great time. I can't believe I found the Indian head penny. That was my first one ever. It was a 1925. So I'm gonna spin the camera around, show you what we came back with. All right, so I guess expect to find a bunch of junk as per usual. We got a little bit of hardware here. We got this little guy right here. It's got does have a little serial number on there. Not sure what it was for, but yeah, Zambro. We got this 1970s Matchbox piece right here to a little vehicle. It looks like actually an airplane wing. And then we had what, 65 cents and change, all clad except for the Indian head buffalo penny, or excuse me, buffalo nickel, 1925. So I'm incredibly happy with today's finds. All right, guys, that's another curb strip in the books. So I had a great time. Thanks for going treasure hunting with me. I love it, and I can't wait to get out there and get on to another curb strip. And I hope you guys get out there and can try it out for yourselves too. So I guess I will see you guys on the next video. So get out there, find your treasure. Peace.